Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another fun-filled video. Today, me and Knox was in shopping at the junk store, aka Value Village, and we spent $4 plus tax for this 1990s toy mobile phone. It has mute with music and light. Who remembers these phones? Raise your hands. I haven't opened it yet. It has working lights, working antenna, uses 2A batteries, and in an easy to carry shape. So I assume people walked around in the 90s pretending that these were real. Um, just a second, I'm going to open it. So here's the phone out of the box. Something's clicking in it. I don't know. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. Just a second here. Um, hmm. Almost. Oh, I got it. Oh, it's working. It works. Well, that's pretty cool. Does the antenna open up? The antenna does open. It's quite the volume's quite low, so I'm assuming the battery's dead. Hello? No one's answering. So that's a cool 90s toy, old retro cell phone, flip phone. It works. For $4 in tax. I'm gonna keep that on my shelf with my other toys. That's all I got for today. Have a great day and see you again.